Compared to standard picture frame, in a floater frame, the edges of the artwork are visible in all four sides. When displaying, no artwork is lost in the face view. A floater frame is perfect for artworks with depth greater than 3/4 inch. Floater frames are used to frame gallery-wrapped canvases or wood panels. If you're not a fan of frameless look or to cover canvas print ragged-edged, floater frame is perfect for you. Canvases mounted on stretcher bars sits neatly on the inside lip of these frames. A stair-step floater frame has small steps inside the floater, which provides a uniform amount of space between your canvas and the edge of the frame. A tapered floater frame features a narrow face with a drop edge that widens internally towards the base, leaving a uniform amount of space around the canvas, resulting in a hovering, minimalistic effect, since the gap is uniform without a visible step. The L-shaped floater frame can be used with or without gap. Typically, we add 3/4 to 1 inch to your artwork's dimensions, so roughly there will be 3/8 to 1/2 inch space all around the artwork. L-shaped floater frames are also available in metal, both in 1.5 inch and 3/4 inch depth. To save the cost of shipping, you can simply assemble metal picture frames. Simply slip in the corner metal pieces and tighten with a screwdriver. To mount a canvas on a floater frame, tips to achieve even gaps around all sides of the floater frame. Simply add placeholder spacer all around sides evenly. The gaps that are created from the floater frame helps to separate the frame from the artwork, as similar to mat boards in traditional picture framing method. Place a canvas face down and put the floater frame face down on top of the frame. On top center and the bottom center, place an offset clip and screw it in. And check alignment. If necessary, reposition. One center screw in the rest of the offset clips. Offset clips are included with the floater frames. Now, mark 1/3 of the frame in both sides. Take the D-ring and loop it in the wire. And screw it into place. Now on the other side, place the other D-ring and drill it in. Finally, screw the wire hoop to desired size and twist the wire around the hoop. When choosing a floater frame, ideally, pick a floater frame that perfectly lines up with your canvas. For example, for 3/4 inch depth canvas gallery wrap, choose a floater frame with 3/4 inch depth. Then cut the excess wire off. Place the bumpers on the bottom corner of the frame and the artwork is ready to hang. Additionally, floater frame comes along with hanging hardware and bumpers. Bumpers protect the walls from scratches and prevents the frame from sliding and keeping them level. Without sacrificing any part of the artwork, floater frames are a unique solution to canvas gallery wrap. For more information or to order online, visit usaoncanvas.com.